Edo Commissioner for Roads and Bridges, Engineer Ethan Uzamere, don assure the public say the Igubazuwa-Usen Okoro Ugbogui Road and other ongoing road projects across the state go dey completed by the administration. He give this assurance for one check waka around the Igubazuwa-Usen Okoro Ugbogui Road construction project for Ovia South-west local government area of Edo State. The road project get total length of 13.22 km, including 2.05 km of Igubazuwa Hospital Road, where them don completely asphalt. Them don also complete earthwork for the 7.1 km Usen Okoro Road, 1.45 km Okemola Road, and 2.5 km Ugbogui Road with stone-based work wey go soon start. For in talk with Tori people after the check waka, Engineer Uzamere took mouth on the economic benefits of the road project, noting say it go boost the community economic activities and contribute to the state gross domestic product (GDP). Comm also talk say the roads they connect different farms, one general hospital, religious centers, and big residential communities, making the inner streets more accessible.
We are doing our routine checks on the progress of roads that the ministry has awarded. In construction, normally there's always opportunity to always go and change and jig things a little bit to work better. So we've seen a lot of issues that are going on certain roads that we are working on. So we are now going back to the drawing board to design some certain places. We have about adjoining roads close to between 2.5 to 3 kilometers of adjoining different roads adjoining. And this is just a small community, a community in Igubazuwa ward in Ovia South-west local government. So as you can see, this road links to different farm sites. It also links to a general hospital. There's also a few religious homes around there, but also a very big residential community in these areas. So it actually opens up the inner streets of the community.
Engineer Uzamere also talks that the problems with failed road portions now because of man-made activities, especially the heavy-duty vehicles from Borough Pit for the Igodolo area. It can stress on the importance of addressing these external factors collectively to prevent further road damage. Say the damage caused by Borough Pits don't significantly increase the cost of road rehabilitation, and that's na burden where those state governments they bear. The commissioner can raise concerns about the impact of sand mining from Borough Pit on the road stability and also question the licensing process for these activities, noting say the state government not dey aware of these licenses where federal government issue. Engineer Uzamere can say needs dey to educate the local community about the negative effects of mining activities on their land and infrastructure. Even with these challenges, Engineer Uzamere can reassure the public say the current administration they committed to completing all ongoing projects, noting say the projects now for the benefit of the people, and come also call on the communities to advocate for continuation of any unfinished projects by future administrations.
One of the great accomplishments of this administration is planning. We have seen that one of the issues that affect most of our roads are external factors. Coming now, we see that most of the reasons why is because of the borough pits that people are taking sand from to go on the major roads, and it's actually making our roads fail. It's very important to understand how do these borough pits get their licenses. They get their license through the federal government. And sometimes not even the state government is not even aware. They deal with the communities directly. So it's very important for us as a government, even as a ministry, to let the people of the locality know that, listen, this is the effects of this mining activities, because it's actually a mining activity. It's eventually going to affect their community lands, because you can see a lot of gullies. The gullies will eventually, if we don't do certain things now, come back into even the major road and cause maybe bigger catastrophic issues. We are seeing a lot of erosion around the states, not just Edo, it's around Nigeria, but one of the major reasons why we have these issues are actually man-made. With proper planning and organization, we can see how we can control some of these issues. The effects of those borough pits has cost almost 3 times the amount of what that road is going to be cost now, which now those states now have to bear that cost. Most of these projects are going to be completed. For instance, we are going to use more concrete in our roads, and if you can see some of the roads we are doing around the states, we are integrating concrete like rigid pavement and those just takes a few days to get done. They are quicker done than the traditional way of getting roads done. So I'm optimistic that most of these roads will be completed before the end of this administration. But also, it's about the people, so it's going to continue. So we are not, most of the projects we are doing is not personal, it's for the people. I know the people that these roads are affecting. We also cry to the next government that they should continue this to be done.
We commenced work in February, started clearing in February, and we intend to round up the whole project in October. So far, the only challenge right now is the weather, which we are trying to also manage. Hopefully by October, everything will be done in this project. The government have been quite supportive. There's no challenge on their own parts. Even the ministry also. We've been working hand in hand. There's no major challenge from any of their part. This one we are starting on now is 7.1 kilometers.
The community relations are very They have tried in their own part to ensure that the project is completed timely, which we have appreciated. All things being equal, by October, the project should be completed. Yeah.
Make una not forget, say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojiseli, TMC TV News.